Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly, you will have to select language. I'll just stay with English, then tap Start. Then you can connect your SIM card, but if you don't have your SIM card on, you can just skip this step for now and do this anytime later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around, you can just skip this step and set up your device offline. Then you have to set up your date and time. Then you have Google services. If you don't want them, just disable them like me. If you want them, then don't do it. But in any case, you will have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up your screen lock, but you can also skip this step for now and do this anytime later in settings if you want to do this at all. And that's it. Your device is ready to be used. So, thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.